this is going to be a bit of a departure from, you know, my normal videos. I told you guys that I want to kind of start, now that I'm in this new place, this new city, new environment, you know, I want to go around. You hear the cars in the garage. This is my very first, definitely up here, very first garage car meet in Orlando. And it's hey, it's like you got to pay $15 to get in. Tuners Invades, I think it's called Tuners Invades, is the people that are sponsoring this whole thing, and it's supposed to be a really, really good event. Of course, they're gonna be here.
walk right now. He's mad as hell.
So guys, there you have it. But it was a dope event. I'm kind of packing up right now and leaving myself. It was a dope event. Like, I want to come to a lot of these more often, and when I come, I want to be able to bring my brothers, if I possibly can. Like, bring my brothers. My youngest brother, who Alex, y'all seen him. He was caught up with something. He was a little busy, so he couldn't make it this time. And Mike, who I usually, as you guys know, I always go, back when I was in Miami, I would always go to all these car meets, car events with him. He would have been like super over the moon for this type of stuff, man. Again, I love it. I'm loving the fact that I'm actually coming out and going to these events. Even though I'm a little bit away from these events like this right here was 50 minutes away from me. You know what I mean? So I had to come, you know, down here to come, you know, see the event. But it was dope. What I didn't tell you guys is that it's 2 events going on today. There's this one, which is Tuner Invades in the garage, and then there's another one that's supposed to be Kissimmee versus I have it somewhere. That one I may not record. I may just take pictures, which I haven't been doing. I haven't really been taking any photography and photos for the Instagram, and that's kind of like a passion of mine. I just love, you know, taking photos of cars outside of my own. But it's dope to come to these events, man, and if you got a group of people, yo, that makes it 10 times more fun. Now, what's crazy is that these events don't really practice the 6 feet rule, and as you saw in the video, I mean, they have people with goddamn, you know, masks like non-existent, you know. So, you know, you go at these things at your own risk. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to more of these events. I know a lot of these type of videos don't really get views, but I'm not doing it for the views, guys. I'm doing it to show you guys what I'm getting into and how am I enjoying myself up here in this new environment, and looking at the car community up here. Like, it's so diverse. That's the takeaway from this, y'all. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And as I always say, as I always tell you guys, please be grateful, be humble, stay blessed. And always, aside from putting Germ-X on your hands and using hand sanitizer, always stay driven. All right? 1.